red beast in his natural territory.
So good.
He's a wild man.
Fuel for my adventures.
Ah, the Morchella. That's the genus for morels, and I say that so you know I'm super smart, and so that I can say I use my biology degree. Every year, people stumble through the woods for this tasty, fun guy, and today, I'm going to show you how to fry it up. Music's a little backwoods, but it works. Kind of catchy. Careful, don't slice your finger open. Blood contains a lot of nutrients, but it has nothing for the flavor. So here we go, guys. The first step is just slice them in half. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, throw them in some water. Maybe put a little salt in there. And you're going to want to do a couple washes, especially if you found it in sand or something like that, because it's going to be all gritty, and you don't want that. A lot of people say you should only soak it for a few hours before you cook it, but I've forgot about it, and I've left it for a day, 2 days, 4 days. Still tastes great. Maybe to someone with a more refined palate, but to me, still good. Alright, man. They get the idea. So the next clip is brought to you by my 9-year-old. Because I noticed he's a little jittery, we are seriously thinking about cutting back his coffee intake. Throw this into an egg wash, into a little bit of flour with salt and pepper. Looking good, buddy. Hopefully you don't get a little bit seasick. Hang on. Here we go. Command, we're coming down. So if you're not into all that fried, fatty deliciousness, you can just throw them in slightly moist, same flour, salt, and pepper mixture, and you can use whatever seasonings you want. And then you don't get all that breading to stick to them, and the flour is just a little bit of a dusting. It does good to listen to a rhythmic song when you do something like this. Maybe Ace of Base, gangsta rap, heavy metal, some Spice Girls. I'm pretty sure the rhythm that I'm going by right now is the sound of whales. Listen to that crackle. Looks good.
Do what?
I can't have one video when my kids don't interrupt me. More sizzle. That's the sexy stuff. Let's see what my worst critic says.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
In the chair.
Good stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Salt, little pepper, little onion powder.
It's completely white. It's really good.
You like them?
It's really not okay.
Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, or you just feel sorry for me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. And then I can begin my rise to international stardom.